If you're struggling to meal plan for the whole family, you have to try this dinner hack. Dear Chef Rose, I'm a busy mom. I have a freezer full of Omaha Steaks proteins. What can I make in around 30 minutes? I got you. With this salmon, we've got so many options, from grilled salmon skewers to a baked salmon protein bowl to one of my favorites, pan-seared salmon with a lemon-dill butter sauce, ready in 25 minutes. And this air-chilled chicken breast is super versatile. We can use it for chicken and rice, a chicken pot pie, or a creamy chicken, potato, and green bean skillet, ready in just 35 minutes. And you know I've got recipes for the ground beef. Chili, bolognese, burgers, or my simple and delicious family-friendly BBQ Sloppy Joes, ready in 25 minutes. Now that you know how fast and easy it is to meal plan when you have a freezer full of your favorite foods ready when you are, you'll be cooking like a pro. And don't worry, I'll be here for you along the way. For more 5-star tips, tricks, and mouthwatering recipes, visit omahasteaks.com/blog.